Whirlpool bathtubs. See how high you can fill the tub before you run out of hot water. The water heater may or may not be big enough for the job. Of course, the jets should be underwater. Beyond that, is the water deep enough for you? There's no right or wrong here. It's a matter of preference. There's a switch to turn the jets on and off, but it's an air switch, not an electrical switch. It's a safety issue. You jab a button that sends a puff of air through a small hose to a switch attached to the motor pump. The puff of air pushes a switch and that turns on the motor pump. So hit the button and make sure the motor turns on and off. How does the motor sound? You should not hear a mechanical whining, grinding, or squealing. Check all the jets. Do they work? Do they swivel freely? Is there an auxiliary heater in the system of jets? Typically though, this heater is just to try to maintain the water temperature. It won't heat up water that isn't already hot to begin with. Hold your hand next to the jet closest to the end of the tub that has the equipment. Feel the water to see if the heater is working and the water coming out is slightly more warm than the rest of the tub.
I've got a lot more great stuff for you at houseiq.information. If you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And click the link to watch some more great stuff right now.